fuck are you talking about, okay? You're not gonna trust me with that kind of thing. Who the fuck are you gonna trust?
Don't talk to me about trust, I don't mind.
Running away from righteousness and all shit. Even though it's pretty late, yo, I'm living in darkness. Frostbite, it's life sick of this shit. Still not a pot of piss, so a buck to split. This is what I learned off of Nick. They don't care if you're rich, if you're weak in the streets, they'll take your bitch. Hit your girl on your break, roll up, in my six while I'm sent up on a trip. Y'all went for trading the script, your niggas be 40, that's why I kicks it with my lonely and I only hate my money. Feel me? When a nigga say that I don't love nobody, inevitably they not gon' jam me. Wanna put the slug in my body, they rather jam the next man's groove and put some money in his pockets. With my life and my verses is paid for, ain't gotta rob nobody. Now I would never understand why.
Hey, fuck you, man! Who put this thing together? Me! That's who! Who do I trust? Me!
Fuck. Trust. You're not that. Asshole. Fuck, what am I asshole?
Yo, let me get at niggas.
I need that shit.
Yo, I ain't done with niggas.
I don't live.
Yo. Not allowed at the table. Y'all afraid of conversating. Y'all afraid of serving food at the table. I serve coke on. Tell my niggas say a prayer over half ounces. Never know, any day might have to cash count it. Just for any time to give us ass sitting on couches. Hit the stash houses and drag bags about it. We hit the lick but didn't brag about it. Play the trap in a snowstorm. Electrocution houses. If extortion is the play, I'm Wayne and Biggs about it. I'm about it. Now my squad full of bosses and all hitters. These niggas nice, but they not real as us. Ride of my life, but I'm watching the side mirrors. Inhaling love, exhaling pain. They say go figure. The change is to save your brain. Ask God for forgiveness. If you ever vibing with us, wanna meet with the Reaper, I'm getting a day ready. Reflection in the mirror is terror. Life is scary. Don't ever cross the pole. That's on Christ dancing with the devil on the floor. Wide awake. What the fuck I need sleep for? Life. But what that is?